especially in classics. 2011 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible SS. Does have the 2 SS package. This would be red jewel tint coat, very rich, cool looking color, no doubt about that. Camel or saddle color interior, kind of a two-tone, also has an ebony. I'll get around and show you that. Here in a second, we start it up, check out the exact miles, options, equipment. Now, of course, underneath the hood, 6.2 liter, be a 400 horsepower version paired up with the 6-speed automatic transmission with tap shift. This car has a little over 23,000 miles on it. Like I said, we'll get around the driver's side, check that out. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, you can check out the underside of this car, take a look at how clean it is. Check out the interior of the engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There was one little tiny dinger kind of right here, if it'll show up. There's just a little bit of a, there you go, you can kind of see it. Doesn't really show up unless you're really getting down close looking. Other than that, this car really does show what you'd expect out of a low mile Camaro. Does have a clean Carfax, confirms miles. Check out the chrome wheels, Firestone radials, and you can look up and down the side of it. Again, it's just not a lot for nicks, dings, or scratches. Here's that interior, kind of neutral, an ebony two-tone, 2 SS package. Of course, you have the gauge cluster down below, heated seats both sides, does have power driver's seat. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear fascia, dual exhaust, as you can see, rear parking sensors also. Would have a power top. Top on this one is the camel or neutral colored top. Nice contrast matching the inlays on the seats, contrasting the darker ebony. And as you can see, has the parade boot. Convertible top cover, fits it very nicely. You can check out the still pictures with the top up so you can see that. And I'll probably also run it up at the end here and do a quick little video with it up. At the end of this one, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Again, up and down the driver's side, you can see not really much of anything. Nicks, dings, scratches again on this side. Be a nice car for your local cruise-in, roll-ins. Having some summer fun with the top down. Boston acoustic stereo system, power mirrors, power windows, power locks, trunk release down in the door. Let's hop in and close the door so get rid of the chime. And we'll fire it up. Here will be your exact miles showing up. There it is, 23,569. No warning indicators on, anything like that. Wipers work, AC blows cold. We have our steering wheel controls. Again, nicely equipped, 2 SS. Here's your heated seat buttons, both sides. Instrument cluster, AM, FM, CD player. Radio works fine. Take a look at the dash. You can tell this car's been stored indoors. Heads up display. You want to see that? If I can get it to show up, there you go. Heads up display. You can also see in the still pictures the RPO code sticker that is in the trunk on this car, so you know every option that this car has from that RPO code sticker. Slip around to the back, let you hear it run. No crazy exhaust, aftermarket exhaust, anything like that. There's also the bag that the parade boot goes in. Have it setting over there. That will be in the trunk and go with the car. All right, let's see. I think I can get this hood open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
So there it is, 6.2 liter V8, 400 horse, that automatic transmission. Take a look at the hood liner. As you can see, It's not stained from road grime and salt. This car's not been driven in inclement weather. Actually came to us from the south. It's a nice condition. Sounds good, runs good, power steering, power brakes, again, AC blows cold. All right, I'm gonna pause this 1 second. I wanna run up that convertible top. It is a power top. Take the boot out, let you take a peek at that, and we'll wrap up this video. There we go. It doesn't take long to get that up. Power top works perfectly. You can see how nice and tight, fits up above the windshield there. Free of rips, tears, holes. Needed to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's gonna. And look at this contrast with the car. Beautiful, rich looking color combination. Rear glass window. Rear defroster in it. And again, nice shape. Again, what you would expect on a Camaro with this kind of miles on it. Again, clean Carfax. There you go, 2011 Chevrolet Camaro. 2SS package, 6.2 liter underneath hood, automatic transmission, red jewel tint coat. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call